Okay, so here's a room walkthrough. We are at Fundu Lagoon on Pemba Island. Again, this is perfect for beach extensions if you've gone on a long, hot and dry safari and you want to come enjoy the beach life. Coming here is perfect. So let's show you room number 8. It is a hillside room. A few steps to come up. It is very tropical and lush around here. As you can see, there are trees all around you. Very much a jungle vibe. You have a lovely seating area here with a table. You have your lounge chairs where you can relax in the sun. And from this room, you do have an ocean view. It is very private on the side. You do not see anybody on either side of you. Coming into your room, beautiful big bed, mosquito netting that comes out. They do have lots of fans in the evening, but you get a lovely breeze coming up off the ocean, so you don't really need it that much. Towels, there is a laundry service, coffee for your room, little mini fridge down there. Your closet. This is a lockbox to keep your valuables in. Coming around to this side. Hey everybody. You have your bathroom. Standard sink, lots of counter space. Coming back here to this wonderful shower. And of course in this little corner, you have your toilet. And walking back out again into your room. You can keep these front completely open at night, and you can be laying in bed and looking out and seeing this spectacular view.